going in that direction. But don't leave. And I think it's important to find somebody if you're placed in this scenario and you're trying to escape and you just don't know quite how to escape, or you don't feel like you're exploring all your options, like find somebody who's removed enough to where they have a greater vantage point to where they can see everything. Cause you might be so stuck in the situation that it's like narrow, like you have this like tunnel vision and you can't see
A
because
lot of things can get
predicament.
personal. That's
Yeah.
why.
So it's like I think about it like this. Like, these high speed chases, you know, like they're so caught up in, swerving through traffic and all this other stuff. But and then maybe they got a shot. Maybe the cops, like maybe the police are on them and they're chasing them. But we all know that once that chopper gets on them, for the most part, that pursuit is over because that helicopter has a high enough vantage point where they can see where you go. They can see what's in front of you, what's to the side of you, So that vantage point is so great that they can see all the potential places that you can go. And very rarely does that vehicle get away from the helicopter. All right. So if you got a Honda Odyssey, Ford Contour, don't even try it, bro. You're going, you're getting jammed up. But but like I said, talk to somebody who's removed enough to maybe give you some objective feedback into into your circumstance. They might be able to give you a couple ways out that you don't quite see yet. So it's always good to have somebody who's not maybe someone who's like not always on your. I mean, they're on your team per se, but they know that the best thing they could do is to tell you something you might not like. Like you might call, you call. So like sometimes I remember I'll call somebody, I don't know, call somebody, I'm just complaining. And then they'll be like, there's really some things that you don't see here. And I'd be like, I really wasn't what I was trying to hear, but you're right. And I'm glad I called you. And I'm glad I got enough sense to listen and not be stupid.